CBSE Chapter 2 Exercise 2.1. Solve the following questions. Our first question is x minus 2 is equal to 7. So you have to find the value of x. X is an unknown variable. So x is equal to, here the already 7 is there. Transporting the minus 2 to other side, the minus will change here into plus. So the minus 2 will changes into plus 2. X is equal to 7 plus 2, that is 9. And your second question is y plus 3 is equal to 10. So here the unknown variable, you have to find the value for y. So y is equal to, already 10 is here. How we have to find the value of y? We have to transport this constant value to the other side. So the constant value is 3. If we transporting this to other side now, the plus changes into minus 3. So y is equal to 10 minus 3. The value of the y is 7. Third question is 6 is equal to z plus 2. 6 is equal to z plus 2. So you have to find the value of z. Then if you have to find the value of z, you need to take this constant to other side. So 6 plus 2 will come this side, means what will happen? Minus 2. The z alone is there here. So now 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, that is z is equal to 4. And your next fourth question is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. So in this variable is x. You have to find the value for x. So the question is 17 by 7. I am taking this 3 by 7 to other side. So here no sign is there, that means it is a positive. So we are taking this 3 by 7 here, it will change into minus 3 by 7. Now the denominators are same. So we can write it in a common. So common denominator here the 7. So the common denominator is 7. So 17 minus 3. So x is equal to 17 minus 3, that is 14 by 7. If it is cancelable, then you can cancel. So 17 also is a multiple of 7. 7 is a multiple of 7. So 7 will cancelable in 7 table 1 time and 14 is 2 times. So x is equal to 2 by 1, that is x is equal to the value 2. So this is the value of x. So next, your fifth question is 6x is equal to 12. So before we see all the sums are based on the addition and subtraction, here the multiplication. So 6 multiplied by x is equal to 12. You have to find the value of x. So x is equal to 12 is already there. So now this multiplication 6 will come this side, means it will change into division. So 12 divided by 6. So both it will come in the same table. So 6 is cancelable in 6 table 1 time and 12 is cancelable in 6 table 2 times. Am I right? So x is equal to 2 by 1. So x is equal to 2. So your next sixth question is t by 5 is equal to 10. So t, you need to find the value for t. So here the 5 is in the division, will take into that side, means it will change into multiplication. 10 into 5. So that is t is equal to 50. And seventh question, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. So 2x is there, you taken the 3 that side na, so 18 into 3. So I didn't multiply because it will cancel. So 18 multiplied by 3 divided by, this is in the multiplication will come this side, means it will change into division. And next it will cancelable in 2 table at 9 times. So the x value is 9 into 3, that is x is equal to 27. 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5, y divided by. So how you have to solve this? This is in division, y divided by 1.5. You have to take this 1.2 to the opposite side. It will change into multiplication. 1.6 into 1.5 is equal to y. So now you multiply this. So 1.6 into 1.5. So 5 6 are 30. 3 carry out. And 5 plus 3, 8. If you are multiplying by a number, it will be same, 6 and 1. 1 into 6 and 1 into 1. So now the value is 0 and it will be 14. Carry out 2. So here 1 digit and here 1 digit is in decimal. So before 2 digits, you have to keep the decimal point. So now the value is y is equal to 2.40. Ninth question, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. So you have to find the value of x. So I keep the x term alone here and taken this constant to that side. Then 16, this minus 9 will come this side, means what will happen? Plus 9. So if you add this, what will you get? So 7x is equal to 25. So x is equal to 25 and this 7 is in multiplication, will come this side, means division. So 25 by, and 10th question, 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So here the variable term is 14y is equal to 13 is already there, minus 8 will goes that side, means it will change into plus 8. And now if you add it, it will come 13 plus 8, it will be 21. So here 14y is already there. You have to find the value of y. This multiplication will come this side, means what will happen in division. So 21 by 14. So both also is the 7 tables multiple. So if you cancel in 7 table, 2, 3. So y is equal to 3 by 2. And next, your 11th question is 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. So here the variable term is 6p. This is a constant term. So how to find the value for variable? So I'm keeping the 6p alone this side. Is I take this to that side. 9 is already there. Positive 17 will goes that side, means it will change into minus 70. So 6p is equal to, what will? Answer is 8. So here this is positive and this is negative. So here which sign you will have to put? The greater number is 17. So you have to put the negative sign. The negative sign. Why we have to put now? So this is 9 and this is minus 17. So both are in different sign. So absolutely you need to minus and put the greater number symbol. So the 9 is a lesser number, so I can't able to put the positive sign. The greater number is 70, so I can use the minus sign. So P is equal to minus 8 is already is this 6 will come this side, means division. It will change into division. So both will cancelable in 2 table. So this is minus 4 into table and this is 3. So the value of P is a minus 4 by 3. And your next question, 12th question. 12th sum, x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So you have to find the value of x, so I kept this side. So x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. So here denominator nothing is there. Nothing is there means it is a whole number. It divided by 1. So 7 by 15 minus 1 by 1. Now the denominators is different. So you need to take the LCM. If we take an LCM for this 15 and 1 means in 15 table it will come 1 time and this is 1. So the LCM is 15. So 7 by 15 and 1 by 1 I am multiplying this 1 by 1 by 15 by 15. So 15 by 50. Why I multiply now? I have to bring the LCM answer 15 as in the denominator. So both the denominator also I need 15. So for that I had multiplied by 15. So now 15 is same. So we write it in common. And 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15 is what? That is minus 8 by 15. So already we have this x by 3 continuously here. So x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. I need to find the x alone. So I am taking this denominator to that side, minus 8 divided by 15 multiplied by 3. Here nothing is there means denominator 1. So it is cancelable, cross cancellation. So 3 table 3 1 times and this 3 table this is 5 times. The answer is minus 8 by 5. The value of x is minus 8 by 5. Thanks for watching my video. Hit the like and subscribe button for future updates. Thank you.